radicals. Unfortunately, when that surgery was happening, I was a happy member of Siakago constituency in 2003, and he needed to come to Bunge to deal with us differently. So I did not have to be taken to him. The Honorable Opio Wandai, Mr. Chairman, also raised a very pertinent issue about the issues of human rights and democracy. And as you know, if you look at the functions of the Attorney General, one of it is to advise the government on the issue of human rights. In fact, the Department of Justice within the Attorney General's office specifically deals with that issue of advising government on matters on human rights and democracy. And therefore, you can expect that there will be robust engagement with the various arms and various actors. Remember, one of the reports that the President has to deliver to Parliament and Article 132 is one showing what steps the government is taking towards implementing the many values contained in Article 10, which include, among others, human rights and the enforcement and implementation of international treaties. And therefore, when that happens, the President usually is advised from the Attorney General's Office, Department of Justice, on the steps that have been taken. But to go further, it's also to inform the committee that if you look at Article 59 on the establishment of the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights, one of the issues that commission is charged with is the enforcement of issues to do with human rights. And so it's an independent commission. That commission works in close cooperation with the Office of the Attorney General with regard to matters to do with human rights and democracy. There's a question about Mr. Oduor Ongwe about a position I took in regard to some demonstration that was happening in the university. I can inform the committee that that was approximately 41 years ago. I suspect not very many of us were born, but it's just a matter of expressing a divergent opinion. There had been no formal body at the university since the proscribing of the Nairobi University Students' Union, NUSO. And what used to be there was a body that was loosely called SRC, the Students Representative Council. And as the chairman then of the Kenya Law Student Society, I was co-opted into it. In that body, we had debates, very robust debates, and some people took a position that we needed to go to demonstrate. Some of us who were just exiting